Welcome back to the Sound for More channel. Today I have the pleasure to show you ThrillMe from discoDSP, which has now been ported to iOS. Indeed, it was on desktop and now you can use it inside your iPad and iOS devices, which is great news. Before I continue, I would like to remind my viewers to subscribe as it helps with growing the channel. Additionally, if you would like to support the channel, again, please check the description inside each of the videos. Thank you again. So as you can see, a UV-free compliance, we are inside AUM and I have loaded ThrillMe here as an insert effects, and this is the user interface. I have already created a video for it for the desktop edition, but it's great to see that it is exactly the same quality, which is fantastic, a multi-band compressor, right? So let's close this and let's choose an audio source, and we're going to choose a file player. And inside here, we're going to choose something that I previously created, like this one, and we're going to set it on a loop, and we're going to click play. And this is a simple track which has been created with Beatly Pro, which I recommend, which works extremely well to create simple bits, which is great. So let's open up again ThrillMe. So as you can see, 4 bands, band 1, 2, 3, 4, right in the middle. For each one of them, you can adjust the threshold, as you can see, for each one of them here. And then you can adjust the attack, your release, and also duration, okay, in terms of how the compressor will respond. And ultimately, you have a gain as well. You can solo each band here, which is great as well, because it allows you to listen only to a particular band, and then you can adjust the different controls like threshold, gain, ratio, just listening only to the particular band. Now, how do you differentiate between bands, or in terms of where they are positioned? Well, you use these cross and dials here to change the cross frequency. Now, as you can see, if I move these up, it will stop there because it's just below this second one here. So this one on the left cannot go over this one. So if I want to go over 800 Hertz, I need to increase this one here, and then I can drive up to, in this case, 1.9. This one is on 2.4 kilohertz. And then as you can see, the third one is here on 10 kilohertz, and I can go up to 15 kilohertz. And so that's great. So, and I can start from 20 Hertz. So really good. Now, at the moment, if you have lock, the lock button disabled, you can change each threshold individually, like so. If you lock it, there we go. Now you change all the thresholds all in one go, okay? You can change also the attack all in one go, the release all in one go, ratio, gain as well. Of course, in terms of cross frequency, that is still independent. So let's try. And what I really like to do is to start with solo one part and then make an adjustment. So as you can see, as I'm adjusting the cross frequency here, I can have more audio passing through. When it's down to 0, because I'm soloing only this band, you don't have any audio passing through, okay? I can adjust, of course, the threshold here, lower. In that case, it will compress more, and I can change the ratio as well to compress even more. Of course, I can adjust how long it will take to release. You can see the release is shorter, and I can also adjust the attack. So the attack now is actually shorter. And you can repeat these between all the different bands. Let's say that I want to boost the lower part. Okay, so let's start with the second one. Perhaps we just do maximum gain, like so. Release the lock. Just the ratio. As you can see, I'm just listening to this first band and I'm trying to boost the lower part of the track. Now, let's try with the second band. Okay, let's adjust the third one. And now let's say that I want to emphasize the fourth one. So as you can see, it's really straightforward to use it. This is what I like of ThrillMe. It's really simple to use and you really achieve some warm dynamic compression, which is really great. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and as always, see you next time. Bye.